A useful tip for finding material on one theme or topic across the module materials is to search the PDF versions of the module books. To find these, simply go to the Resources tab. And there you'll see 4 PDF book versions. We're going to use the first book, so we're just going to click on that. That takes you to this page here where you have a PDF version of the book. Now, to get the search function, you're going to need to download that. So you're going to click on this arrow here, and that enables you to save the book to your desktop or to another folder on your computer. Now, I've already done that, so I'm going to just take you to the screen where I've got the book ready, downloaded. You'll see that you've got a search function here, and if you click on that, that just makes sure that you have this box showing, and you can then type the word agency into the box, and this will now search the whole PDF book for occurrences of that word agency. And then you just click on the next button and you begin to find the word agency. Now, I've taken you straight to the one that I want to use, but you can click through all the examples and see where the word is used throughout the book. But I've taken you straight here because here I think there's a definition that's going to be really helpful to us. And it says that the word agency is often attributed to individual humans who are understood to possess some property of agency which allows them to act as agents of change in the world. And that comes in chapter 5 of the book. And if you were to read on from there, you'll get a little bit more of a sense of the word agency and what it means. But I think that might be a useful definition for me to just start thinking about. So I'm going to copy that definition, and you might paste that into your notes for your EMA. But what I'm going to do is paste it for you into the slide that we're using for this particular tutorial. And so I've got that there. And obviously we need to remember, so that we don't need to come back to it later, to note the source so that we know where we might find it later. So it's, if I could spell Gallagher correctly, there we are. And I'm just going to remind myself of what page that was on so that I've got that right. It was page 241. So now if I need to go back and find that later, I can find that reference for future use. So now you know how to do that. You might find that this search function is something that's going to be really useful to you for your EMA, just searching for uses of words and phrases and themes across the module as a whole.